everyone, welcome to African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you class 5 of Sinte Rhythm of the Dundun part. The first beat is 1, 2, 3 plus bell. Bell is number 4, like this. Now let's play it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play it 8 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play with djembe. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of Sinte Rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos. And share with your friends and families too. Goodbye.